Okay, this is how it's done. Ignore my messy desktop here, but if you corrected the date and saved that image to your desktop like I have right here, you would right click on it and click on Open With and go to Paint. It will open it up in Paint. It's the simplest program on every PC computer. And all I'm doing is scrolling down to the bottom to show you. This is the corrected date down at the bottom. Okay? So what you want to do in Paint is click on the square up here that says Selection. Okay? And this will allow you to draw a box. And we want to draw a box from way over here above the numbers and get it as close to that edge as you can, and then just drag it all the way to the left and then all the way down. Once you've done that, you've made a box with that date and you click Copy. Okay, now you can minimize this window and go to the folder where all of your layouts are at with the date and the name of it as the date, and open up the first one in Paint. Open with Paint, the same as before. We're opening in a different window. This is the one with the bad date. Okay? So now we have already copied the correct date, so we need to hit Paste, and it puts it up here at the top. You can pick it up and move it down and try to get it as close to possible. And you can see the lines. If you use your arrow keys, you can move it over a little bit to the left and a little bit more to the left till you get it pretty close to perfect. And then once you've done that, you click on the up here at the top, drop down, Save As, okay? And you go into that, you point to that first one because that's the one it is, and you click to that and hit Save. It will say, do you want to replace it? You'll say yes. And then this one is done. So you can close this Paint. The other Paint is still open that we were working on before. And then right click on the next one, open with Paint, scroll all the way to the bottom. We've already copied it. You hit Paste, drop it down here, put it where it belongs, get it as close as possible, File, Save As, click on, it'll already have the correct date, and hit Save. Yes, we want to replace. You can close this one, go to the next one, right click, open with Paint, scroll all the way to the bottom, hit the Paste, move it down, get it where it belongs, as close as possible, then hit Save As. It'll already have the right date, hit Save, and continue on through opening and closing all of the next ones and next ones and next ones. That's how easy it can be done.